Hi guys, it's Goddess Gail. It's been a while. I've been sick for the past week and I had a COVID test and I don't have it. So it's kind of confusing. Anyway, I miss YouTube so much and I miss you guys so much. Just miss YouTube so much and oh my god, I miss fragrance. So today I'm gonna do the review for Poison Girl by Dior. For this one, I'm sorry guys, I don't have the full bottle because this Poison Girl in my country they do not sell them anymore. I thought about to pre-order them to here and I don't think it's a good idea, the fluid thing on the plane or whatever. So I bought it from some kind of Facebook page for the fragrance lover or anything, and one of them sold me for the 10 mils and I'm so glad I bought it. Anyway, I first know about this fragrance from Jeremiah Fragrance on YouTube, and he said this one is the best Dior fragrance, so I had high hopes for it. Oh my god, let's put it on. So right now it's 4 p.m. Oh my god. This is not just a typical gourmand fragrance. It also has some kind of freshness. The freshness reminds me a little bit like creaminess, sophisticated like Dior, and I am a big fan of Dior. And I've been trying this one for the past few weeks. But this one has that kind of gourmand and almond smell just like the Hypnotic Poison. So this one for me I think is like Hypnotic Poison amps up for the creaminess and sophisticated. So it's like really like not too strong Hypnotic Poison but really beautiful. This one is the EDP one and let's take a look for the notes. What I have in here is bitter orange, lemon, damask rose, grass rose, orange blossom, vanilla, almond, tonka bean, sandalwood, heliotrope, and cashmere. I'm sorry if I pronounce anything wrong. So the beginning is so fresh but not too fresh. I'm gonna say that it reminds me of the freshness. It's not similar to the Chanel Mademoiselle, but it's that kind of top level for that freshness. It's different but it's as fresh. If you let it dry down, it would be that almond sweetness gourmand, just like the Hypnotic Poison, and I think it's really special. And today I'm gonna do the wear test of this one as well. So the beginning is so fresh, sweet but not too sweet, and oh my god, it's so, I would say that it's strong but not too strong like Hypnotic Poison. And this one, I also have the Miss Dior EDP one, and that one I cannot put it on every day, it's too strong. But this one I try almost every day, but they have that kind of freshness to be the contrast of this fragrance, and I think it's really amazing. They did an amazing job for this one, I would say. And alright, oh my god, the beginning. And I'll be right back for the wear test. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. And I would say that the tonka bean and sandalwood just kind of amps up with time. And I could smell a little bit of vanilla and I could smell slightly a little bit of orange. So this is like the gourmand and also fresh one. And I'll be right back again. Alright guys, I'm back for another check-in. Right now it's around 8 p.m. so it's been 4 hours. Oh my god, this smells like Hypnotic Poison, that almond gourmand sweetness, but this one definitely has more orange and tonka bean and that sandalwood, so it's still kind of fresh and I enjoy this so much. I can smell myself all the time. I'm so impressed. I'll be right back for another check-in again. Hi guys, this is a final check-in and right now it's 10 p.m. I would like to do more longer wear test, but I'm gonna have a bigger day tomorrow, so I feel like I should go to bed right now. And I've been using this one for quite some time, and I would say that it lasts really long. It lasts on my skin around 8 hours. I could smell it also, and if it's on my clothes it would be longer than that, so longevity is a plus. And the smell not too strong. It's like those gourmand vanilla mixed with some those orange freshness. So I've been using this one in a row almost every day and I don't have the headache. I'm so surprised and impressed with this fragrance. I love Dior Poison Euro so much. So finally I have to go get it, and I want it, I got it. This one, by the way, this one is a tested box. It's not for sale, but I bought it. They do not sell here in my country anymore, so don't judge me, but I really want it. It's one of the best Dior fragrances ever. Oh my god, look at the packaging. It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. The packaging is great, the longevity is great, the smell is packed a punch, fresh, sweet, floral, and everything in here. So